They are agents, they are government scholars, they are Zionists, they are this, they are that. Scholars for dollars. You hear the guy Ahmed Jibril sitting in his library in Michigan, in his warm home, this fake mujahid, this fake armchair instigator, talking about jihad in the comfort of his home, never gone anywhere. Now I'm calling the scholars the Yahud of the Qibla, the Jews of the Qibla, wal-'iyadu billah. Why? Because when they have you away from the scholars, you're like sitting ducks, easy targets. That's why they have to assassinate them first, and assassinate the callers to the Sunnah. Now, and they try to do it against their character, and if they're not able, they try and assassinate them physically by killing them. Like what occurred with Sheikh Jamil al-Rahman rahimahullah in Afghanistan. Some of the students of Sheikh Muqbil, Sheikh Abdul Rahman al-Adani, that we studied with in Dammaj, they murdered him in Aden, killed him. And many others, wal-'iyadu billah, because they try it with the tongue. If they're not successful with the tongue, then they try and get physical. And that's why Ahlul Sunnah, the Sunnah is strong. And Ahlul Sunnah, we do not attack anyone, we do not oppress anyone, but we don't allow ourselves to be oppressed either. Man qutila duna malihi fahuwa shaheed, man qutila duna nafsihi fahuwa shaheed. The Sunnah is strong. Whoever is killed defending themselves, they're a martyr. Barakallahu feekum.